My name is Nathan. I'm with Ridgeline Roofing Restoration, and I'm here to discuss the insurance process with you. I've worked with thousands of homeowners as far as going through insurance claims and help them through that process. First off, obviously we'll come to the inspection. After the inspection, we're going to sit down with you, and if you do have enough damage to go through that insurance company, we're going to help you file that claim through your insurance company. Once we file that claim, you're going to hear from your adjuster within 48 business hours usually. After that 48 hours, they usually schedule a meeting to come out there and get on the roof to look at the damage, and we are there to assist you with that. We want to make sure that this process is as easy as possible for you to understand and hands-free on your side. So that's why we're here to help you through that. Once we get up there with the adjuster, obviously we're going to show them all that damage that we have found to make sure that they see everything that they need to see to help you get a new roof through the insurance company. You should hear something from that adjuster from 48 hours to 2 weeks. Depending on the insurance company, it may take a little bit longer for them to get all the paperwork to you or for you to hear something from them. But you should hear something within 2 weeks in regards to if they're going to approve the roof or what they're going to do to help you out with the roof. Once you do get that paperwork from your insurance company, you want to go ahead and give the rep that's handling the claim with you, you want to contact them. That way they can come and sit down with you and go over that scope that the insurance has sent you. Now, there is several things that the insurance companies miss most of the time on each claim, and that's where we come in and help you to make sure that that gets paid for. We use the same program they do, and we just supplement for those line items that they missed. So that's another thing that we do to help you homeowners out and make sure that the insurance pays for what they're supposed to be paying for. Once the work's complete, we're going to create an insurance invoice, and we're going to issue that to the insurance company, and you should receive the remaining funds from your insurance company within 2 to 3 weeks. And once you get that, you will contact our rep, and they will come out, meet with you, and collect that insurance money that's owed to us, plus your out-of-pocket as well. And once that is complete, then we will issue your warranties to you at that time. That's pretty much how all insurance processes are going to work. We want to try to make this as easy and as hands-free for the homeowner. We thank you for your business.